Good morning, third graders. Today we're going to work on numbers and operations 3112A, and we're actually going to do 3112B as well today because they use a lot of the same vocabulary. The materials you're going to need are your math path, your pencil bag, your iPad, and a whiteboard. So if you do not have those things yet, pause the video please and go grab those things. At any time during the lesson, please pause this and go back and listen to it again if you need to. The point is that you can do this at your own pace and that you can work along with me. So the first thing you're going to need out, and actually the only thing you're going to need out for this lesson, is you're going to need your whiteboard and a whiteboard marker. So why don't you pause the video and get those things out right now. Okay, looking at the right-hand side for the vocabulary that you need to know, remember we went over digits the other day. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They're also numbers, but those are the digits that make up all numbers, those 10. The place value names that you have to make sure you know are where's the ones place, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s, and the 100,000s. Reminder that all of these place values can be found between the river otter and red fox room up above the doorways. We're also going to show you some base 10 blocks today. These are something that you've probably seen since kindergarten. You might just not know that they're called base 10 blocks. Okay? And those base 10 blocks represent something. Here are your base 10 blocks. These are the first 4 place values. So our little cubes right here, those are worth 1 apiece. So those are in the ones place. These are known as longs. These are worth 10, or this is 110. So you can see that there's 10 little 1 cubes that make up 1 stick. These are called flats. These are in the hundreds place. 10 of these make up 1 of these, so 10 tens make 100. 100 cubes make up the flat. 100 of these small cubes is obviously right here, which makes 100. If you put 10 of these flats together, you'll end up with this large cube. This is the thousands. That's the largest place value that we have, the thousands place. We're going to show you a couple of these with a little thing online that I found today. So on this, what we can do is we can drag some of these and actually make a number. So just think in your head right now, what would 14 look like using these base 10 blocks? 14. So that means I need 4 ones and 1 10. So if I drag one of these sticks, it's going to show me 1 10. Now I'm going to be 14, so this has to be 1 and a 4. Now I'm going to drag 4 of these over, and that's going to represent 14. Now if I wanted, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to get myself a blank screen. I could draw this too. You know, here's a little cube. Here's a long. Here's a flat. And then a big cube's a little harder. If you draw 2 squares next to each other, now watch, I'm going to draw this square kind of inside this other one. So you kind of have 2 squares, and then I just can connect the corners. That could be my big one. Okay, so imagine this is your whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to flip back and forth between those. Okay, so let's start over here. I want to do 321. So how am I going to do that? Well, if I drag this out here, that's going to be 1,000. That's not going to say 300, so I'm going to get rid of that. So 300, so I need 3 of these. 21, so 20 would be 2 10s. 1 10, 2 10s, and then 1 would be just 1 little cube. So if I did that on my whiteboard, let me go back to my whiteboard here. Okay, I will draw 3 of these. Let me grab a different color. 300. Not a very good square. 20, so I'm going to draw 2 longs. And 1 cube. 321. Okay, let's have you try one. Okay, I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to restart over. Looking at my 4 place values, can you do Let's do 116. 116. Pause the video and try and draw that on your whiteboard. All right, I'm going to do 116 on this game thing. So I'm going to say 116 because I've got a 100. I've got my ones in my one in my tens place, and now I'm going to need 6 ones. All right, if you didn't have that, make sure you draw that. Okay, that's how I could do it with this. Let's do another one. Erase your board. Now let's do 1,253. 1,253. And I'll actually write that on my whiteboard here. 1,253. Now go ahead, let's pause the video and draw that using the base 10 blocks on your whiteboard. All right, check yours with mine. Here's 1,000, so I gotta do my 2 squares next to each other, my thousands cube, big cube, and connect my corners. And I need 200, so 2 flats, which could just be a big square. Then I need my tens place, so 5 longs. One, two, three, four, 5, got them. And then I need 3 cubes, little cubes. Perfect, perfect. 1,253. Okay, that means I've got 1,253 of these little cubes. All right, now let's try one last one and see if you can do it. Let's try, actually, I'm going to give you the base 10 blocks. You tell me what number it is. This isn't going to work. It's going to give you the answer. I'm just going to do it for you, and then I'm going to have you read it. Notice how I'm kind of putting these in group, so they're easier to tell. Read that number in your head. Now you should have said 2,336. 2,336. Awesome. Okay. All right. Now we're going to move on to, not that, we're going to move on to some place values. So now that we know the base 10 block a little bit, let's look at labeling some different place values. So over here we have the number 53. And over here I've got some different place value names. The 3 is in which place value, and the 5 is in which place value. Just in your head right now, say which place value the 3 is in. In your head, tell me what place value the 5 is in. Let's see if you were right. The 3 would be in the ones place, the farthest one to the right. The 5 would be in the tens place. It always goes in that order. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, let's try another one. Which place value is the 5 in? If you said the ones, that's correct. Which place value is the 6 in? You said the tens, that is correct. Which place value is the 1 in? If you said the hundreds, that is correct. Ones, tens, hundreds. Keep going here. First, say this number in your head. Now, as you say it, it kind of gives it away. 400 Ooh, so the 4 is in the hundreds place. 86. 80 is when you count by tens, you get to 80. You can think of it that way. You have 8 tens. 6 would be 6 ones. 486. Okay. All right, let's do a big number here. I want you to write this on your whiteboard. So everybody go ahead, pause your video. Write 17,000, 532 on your whiteboard. All right, then now that we're back, you wrote it down. Put the correct place value name under each one. You can kind of go at an angle. So we can copy these words right here and write them on your whiteboard underneath each number, or I should say each digit. Pause the video. All right, let's check your work. Ones, it's under the 2. The 3 is in the tens place. 5 is in the hundreds place. 7 is in the thousands place. And the 1 is in the 10,000s place. Very good. All right, erase your boards. On your whiteboard, write this number, 549. Now what I would like you to do is just grab your marker, and I'm going to call out some different place value names, and I want you to do whatever I ask you to do. So right now, put a line under the 4. Okay, that is the hundreds place. Okay, now put a square around the 9. That is the ones place. And put a triangle around the 5. Perfect. Now this time I'm going to tell you to do squares, and I'm going to tell you shapes and place values, but I'm not going to tell you what digit is there. You have to do that. So erase your board. Write 891 on your whiteboard. This time I want you to put a circle around the digit that's in the hundreds place. Then I want you to put a line under the digit in the ones place. And a square around the digit in the tens place. Pause the video if you need to. Circle around hundreds, line under ones, square around tens. All right, here's what it should look like. Circle, line, square. Let's try one more. Erase your boards, write this number on your board, 7,035. Pause the video whenever you need to. Put a triangle around the tens place. All right, here's where you should put your triangle. Okay, put a square around the digit in the thousands place. All right, here is where you should put your square, thousands place. Put a line under the ones place. Kind of got them crammed in here, but here's my line. Put a X through the digit in the hundreds place, which is the only one left. Put an X through it. All right, last one. 9,645. Erase what it was ever on there. Put this on there now. Here we go. Put an X through the digit in the tens place. You should have put an X through the 4. Put a circle around the digit in the ones place. Should have circled the 1, the 5, digit 5 in the ones place. Put a square around the digit in thousands place. Should have put a square around the 9. And draw a line under the hundreds place. All right, good job. Here's just